issue an invoice, click on the Invoicing or Documents menu, then press the blue Issue button. From here, you can choose between an invoice, a credit note or a debit note. Select Invoice and a window labeled Set Details will open. Here you choose the client and next to Invoice type select whether the invoice will be free or associated to order or orders. The finance module allows you to create one invoice for multiple orders. For example, you can issue a monthly invoice to a specific client for all the orders they had in the month. Choose invoice type related to the order and click on the blue Continue button. A model window labeled Set Details will appear. At the top, you see the client and the invoice type you selected. Then, under Invoicing, click the checkbox next to each order you want to invoice. Once you've selected the orders you want to invoice, click the blue Continue button. A model window labeled Invoice to Orders will open. From here, the following information is automatically entered: invoice number, date of issue, the date of the tax event, and the due date. Click on Payment Method and you can choose between bank transaction, post terminal, or cash on delivery. After you have selected the payment method, if you and your client have entered your banking details in your software profiles, the system will automatically populate the banking details. If banking details are not entered, you will need to enter them manually. Once you have entered your banking details for each order, you should choose the invoicing method and decide whether to present for invoicing or a fixed amount. In this case, I will select fixed amount, and under absolute amount, you enter the amount you want to invoice. You can invoice the full order amount or, if desired, a partial amount. After filling in the invoiced amount under Invoice Discount, there is a field where you can enter a discount towards the invoice if you wish. Next to Discount Note, if desired, you can write a note explaining why the discount was applied. In the Payment Information field next to the In Words section, you must write the total payment amount in words. If you wish, you can enter additional notes about the invoice next to the Notes field. If you want to exempt the invoice from tax, you need to click on the Tax Exempt checkbox. If you want the invoice to be in a language other than the one in the country where you are located, you need to click on Translations. A table will open where you can enter translations for the invoice in Bulgarian, German, and Turkish. Once you have entered the translations, you should click on the Save and Send button. This way, you have successfully sent the invoice to your client. You can view the invoice in the Documents menu with the status open, indicating that it has been sent to your client and payment is expected.